them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't get it.
I got my hair braided. I just kind of wanted to show y'all like a more in-depth kind of like visual of like what they really look like. So real cute. 10 out of 10, 15 out of 10, 20 out of 10. Like it's February 4th, so that means Valentine's Day is in 10 days, and people can come pick up their ZOELLA'S treats on the 11th and the 12th, or the 12th and the 13th. I don't remember what dates I made. I ordered some boxes from Amazon, so I wanted to go ahead and get that out the way. This, and they have the box, like the open box on the side.
Impact that we grown out, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's strange, take to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Yeah, I'm breaking out really bad. Like, look, you see it, Renaya? Like, it's all right here. It was really bad. But we're about to go to the store because this is supposed to be my Valentine's Day maintenance thing. So we're getting everything together. Didn't I just press unlock? So yeah, we're going to Party City because they have the shredded paper I need for the boxes. And then we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. And then we're gonna go to, and I have faith that we can be done by like 3:45. Do you have faith? Okay. So I'm gonna see y'all once we get to Party City. So it is 2:40, meaning it only took 4 minutes for us to get here. We're at Party City, y'all. This is an older Party City. Cause I didn't even know this was over here by my apartment. But that's our child in the back. She walks a little slow. I'm going in here because I need rose petals. I bought some red balloons, so I think I'm just gonna do red rose petals. And then please don't get hit, cause that wasn't slowing down. And then I need to buy like a big bulk of shredded paper. So yeah. So yeah, you have to do it sideways.
Action.
It's a real cute. Okay, we're now. Can they see it? Yeah, we're at Dollar Tree.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual raining.
You got strawberries on it. ZOELLA'S treats.
What did it say?
It said, love you madly, love you sweetly, love you always and completely. Ooh.
You like that, huh?
Love this love God brought our way. Love this life we share each day. Happy Valentine's Day.
I like that one. We can do that one. I think I just like the way you read it. Where's the thing for it? The envelope.
I lost it.
You gonna read yours?
I think I'm sister. No.
Renee, you read it.
Okay.
Do your
To my Valentine. There was nothing more beautiful to me than your smile. No sound sweeter than your voice. No pleasure greater than holding you close. The moment I look into your eyes, I knew instantly that I could never live without you. I love you forever and always. You are my heart, my soul, my treasure, my today, my tomorrow, my forever, and everything. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, they ate in that
This
one.
is wrong from me. I'm sorry. It's a little too much. I ain't there. Let me come back in 5 years.
She said my forever.
Thunder, baby, I wonder, baby, I wonder. Put your sweats on, put your sweats on.
We're at Wally World, so oh, okay, you got it.
Alright, now if I hit somebody.
What? What?
I'm sorry. No, you go ahead.
Need chocolate. I gotta go look at my list. I don't remember what those. But I'm gonna probably do a Walmart pickup order tomorrow and then come get it. Okay, y'all. So I didn't finish vlogging yesterday to my nail tech because the nails we had did with the hearts, like, it just wasn't working. So I went and got them redone. So it's still the black tips. I just got like a different design. So on my ring fingers, it says it has like hearts on it, as you can see. And then on my index finger, on this one, it says XO. And then, okay, I'm at a red light now. But on this one, it says K. Tomorrow is more so gonna be like a cleaning day. So I need to vacuum. I'm still gonna include that in the vlog because it's still like all part of me getting ready for Valentine's Day or whatever, or the weekend before Valentine's. Okay, y'all, so it's 4:53. I just made it back from Walmart. I got most of the groceries out in front of me, but I gotta go to the car and get the eggs and the bread and printed off my logos, business card, and thank you cards. Y'all look. Y'all, don't walk, run to Walmart, Kroger, anywhere. I don't know if everybody has, I'm pretty sure everybody has cauliflower chicken strips, but these cauliflower chicken strips, 2 of them is 110 calories, and they so good. If you watch my preparing with me for spring semester vlog, Renaya and I tried them and they were so good. I eat mine with buffalo sauce. 10 out of 10, 12 out of 10, 15 out of 10. Hey vlog. So, oh, it's so clear. It's almost 7 o'clock. We in the car right now. So I have Renaya and Tiffany with me. So yeah, we're going to my apartment because we're about to, I have to clean my room up a little bit and then we're gonna set up the room. And then we're gonna go to the liquor store and then I'm gonna go pick up the food once I place the order. And then yeah, and then I'm gonna show y'all like the footage of us setting up and what it ended up looking like.
Hey y'all, so we going to the Little Rosemary now, and then Zoe's back here.
I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and should.
Okay, y'all, so Ken probably pissed at me. He called me at like 8:25 to let me know he was at my apartment. But basically, it's a parade going on where I get Wingstop from. So it was like hella traffic and stuff. And then I had to come back and take Renaya and Tiffany to the school because they had rolled with me after the meeting to go do everything. So it's 8:37 now. I'm gonna try to get home by like 8:43. I think that's very doable. So I'm gonna vlog once I have everything set up so y'all can see it, and then yeah.
Chill, just say you will.